Good morning, children. I, Kiran Thakur, your English teacher, welcome you back, children, to the English class of Standard 2. Today we will do exercises of Chapter 4. So let's see. A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Why was the park closed once a year? So, do you remember, children? The park was closed once a year. Why it was closed? The park was closed once a year so that Partho and his team could clean the park. Okay, children? Now, question number 2. Cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. A. Picked up a litter. B. Pulled out the weeds in the flower beds. C. Plucked all the flowers. D. Cut down the trees. And E. Cleaned the swing. So, children, out of this, we need to find points which Partho and his team did not do. Okay? So, the answer will be number C and D, because they did not pluck the flowers, children, and they also did not cut the trees. Next question. Did Partho and his team put up a notice saying wet paint? And if yes, how do you know, children? Okay? If yes, how do you know that Partho and his team have not put the notice saying wait paint? We know this because let us see the answer, children. Partho and his team did not put up a notice saying wait paint before sitting on the benches. We know because they all sat down on wet benches by mistake, isn't it? Now, the next question B. Read these and answer the question. You see, number 1, people should throw rubbish only in the bins. Who said this line, children? Do you remember? This line was said by Partho. So let us see what is the question. Number A. Do you agree with Partho? Why? Okay, so we need to give the answer that if we agree with Partho, then why? So the answer is yes. We should throw rubbish only in the bins. Why, children? Because this keeps our parks clean. Next, number B. Was Partho a good park keeper? Yes, he was, isn't it? He did his job well. Next is, do you pick up litter when you play in the park? Your answer is yes. Next, the question number 2. The children will be so happy. This line was said by Partho, isn't it, children? So, what is the question? Why would the children be happy? Partho said the children will be happy, but why, children? The answer is children would be happy because Partho and his team had cleaned seesaws, swings, and slides. They have also fixed the broken merry-go-round. Yes? Now when the children will come, they can enjoy with all those things. Next is number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. So we need to arrange these sentences. Okay? Let's see how. Number 1, Partho was a park keeper. Number 2, he worked with a team of 5 people. Next is number 3, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. After that, children. Number 4. This year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. Number 5 is during this time Partho and his team put the litter in bins. Number 6. They also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. Number 7. But they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. And the last one is children. So when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. Okay, children, likewise you have to arrange and write. Next one is join the correct parts to write the sentences. You can see there are 2 parts given. First part is written in number form and other part is in alphabetical order. So we need to arrange like this. Number 1, Partho is a park keeper. Number 2, his job is to keep the park clean. Number 3, he loves his job. Number 4, he wants children to enjoy in the park. And number 5, he and his team work very hard. So, here we end with the exercises of chapter 4. Till then, thank you and take care.